I'm back again. So the last time I saw you, we made this cute tassel, remember? So now, today, I'm going to show you how to do a simple stretchy bracelet. We're calling it a boho style. It's super popular fashion-wise right now. Anything yoga is just really hot. And it's a really simple project. This is something that we normally suggest for parents when they come in looking for projects for kids. So I'm going to take a tape measure and I'm going to measure my wrist. So you're just going to go right around and flush against your wrist. So I have 6.5 inches. And I'm going to leave that on the side for me to remember. And now I'm taking some Ilonga cord. This is a nice stretchy cord, and I want to tell you why I like Ilonga the best. This is what it looks like in the package. I like Ilonga over the gel cords because if you can see, it actually is made up of several little fibers and it's set with gel, and stretchy cord in general is not going to last a long time. That's just the way it is. There's nothing we can get around it. There are certain things that you can do to help it last longer. So make sure it's the last thing you put on and it's the first thing you take off. You want to not get perfume or lotions on it. You don't want to wear it into the ocean or into the pool, because all of those things will break down the stretchy cord and it won't last. And if you're unlucky, it'll break when you're wearing it outside and all your beads will go flying off into all these different directions. So the Ilonga, because of all of those little fibers in there, if it does break, those fibers usually stay intact, so you don't actually lose all your beads, which I really like, especially if you're going to be working with gemstones. So as you can see, it's stiff enough where you can just thread it by hand, which is what I'm doing. And I'm just going to be putting on a little bit of agate for some color. Let me check my measurement. I guess that's okay. I'm okay with that. Now I'm going to start to put on some spacer beads. These are from Tiara Cast. And now some wood. Now the wood beads we only carry at our bead shop, so Mapunapuna, Maui, and Hilo. But the agate we sell at all of our stores, so you'll be able to find that there. And this mixture of wood and gemstone is a really nice, rich feel. It goes perfectly with the boho style. And it's something that is super popular right now, but you can do yourself. So you just keep on stringing until you reach the length that you need. So I'm almost there. Now I have some customers that have said that they don't like Ilonga because it's hard to tie a knot with it. And I'm going to show you the knots I use or how I knot it. And I've never really had a problem with this brand. But to each their own. Whatever works for you is fine. So we just want to have fun with this. Oh, I went a little bit too far. So let me take off a few beads. I'm going to have another spacer. And now I'm going to add on that cute little tassel we made. And then one more spacer. Okay, so here's the knot that I do. We're going to do a simple overhand knot and we're going to tighten it. We're going to do a square knot, so it's just like a simple overhand knot, but we're going to bring the tail through one more time, and that turns it into a square knot that holds so much better. Pull it tight, and then I'm going to set it with a little bit of GS Hypo Cement. So a little bit of glue right on the knot, and then I'm going to trim off the tail. Now here's the trick. Pull it through one of the beads. So now that knot is in the center of the bead. I'm going to take the Hypo Cement with its needle nose applicator, and I'm going to shoot that glue in there. And I'm just going to leave it to dry. And there we have it. It's a nice bohemian looking tassel bracelet with a stretchy cord that is super easy to do. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys later.